presenting my e-portfolio in art appreciation. I'm Dana Jolene Arsantillan. I'm 19 years old, born in September 16, 2005. I live in Antipolo City and currently taking BIT, major in Food Service Management in Marikina Polytechnic College. My favorite hobby are journaling and I love coffee. For the midterm activities, Aktibidad sa Buwan ng Kasaysayan is a group activity wherein we're tasked to design a bilao using recycled materials. Not only that, we had to connect those designs in the concept of Buwan ng Kasaysayan, such as putting a slogan about Buwan ng Kasaysayan or pictures that represent the Philippines. Activity 1 is an individual activity that were assigned to answer the practice activities and enrichment. Practice activities is about researching famous art and what type of art are those, while the enrichment is about recalling those times where we did some arts or regarding arts. Activity 2 is an individual activity, and this activity is about making an artwork that reflects our emotion and personal experiences in life. This activity is like self-expression through art. In Activity 3 is a group activity about making a short video that portrays artist, medium, and technique used, buyer, creator, and collector. The video should be at least maximum of 3 minutes and I portrayed the artist in this activity. Activity 4 is a by pair activity wherein we're tasked as a pair to do a artwork that reflects our personal experiences and emotion. It's quite hard since we had our own experiences and we had different emotion in life. But we made it work, so that's great. For the midterm project is a group activity wherein we're given choices to represent our talent. Our group chooses abstract. That's why we did some painting. I painted a girl with a tired look and that represents me, I guess. Since college are quite draining, but that's only natural and I still had a long journey in my college life. For the final activities, activity group reporting wherein we're divided into 7 groups and given different topics to report. I'm in the group 6 and our topics are all about neoclassicism, romanticism, and late 19th century art. I was the one that's assigned to discuss the introduction of romanticism. I also help other members in their part. Activity soul making is all about the different crafting techniques. And I choose to do the object 1, wherein I'm gonna take an object that produces a music or a beat, and I already think of the iconic combo, which is the chair and ballpen combo, since that's a common thing in high school. Activity contemporary art is about choosing one contemporary movement to make an artwork that's connected to our major, which is food service management. I choose neo-pop art since I'm gonna make a restaurant menu, and neo-pop art has bright color that can attract, which is perfect in making a menu. For the major learning achieved, I'm just gonna read it. With the help of this subject, I learned so many things about art, such as the history and meaning behind those famous artwork. I also learned how to appreciate and understand those arts that I couldn't understand previously. Art also serves as therapy since some people use art to express themselves in a way they're more comfortable with. Learning about those elements and components to make an artwork can also guide you to make your artwork more beautiful and mesmerizing. Now that I know the importance of art in our daily life, because art can help us improve our creativity.